Let's go to the third step of the Brown and Clark 6-step framework for conducting thematic analysis, which is generating initial themes. Remember, we can have all these codes. I want to cut them because I hadn't created a folder. I want to go to codes, create new folder, call this initial codes. Then I want to come in here and paste all the codes I made. And then I want to go create a new folder, call this preliminary themes, okay? I go get the initial codes, all of them, I paste them in my new folder. This is important for housekeeping, so paste them. I'm doing this kind of copy-paste thing because I want to keep tracking every step I take to analyze my data. Now you can see I have my codes which are color-coded. Let's investigate the codes in red. What do they mean? How can we form themes? We look for a pattern of shared meaning between these codes, and now we can try to learn something. This code is partnership between school and parents, holistic partnership between school and parents, creating a community with the school at the center of community. Now let's double click on one of the codes and look at the question that the interviewee asked so that we got these codes. You can see people use the term parental engagement in a lot of different ways. In your experience, what does it mean in school when people talk about parental engagement? You see, for me, it means partnership between school and parents. So this is the subjective meaning of parental engagement according to the participants. Let me type that. Subjective meaning of parental engagement according to the participants. You can see, although I'm doing inductive analysis, the questions that were asked in the interview will play a significant role in the establishment of my preliminary themes. So right-click here on the blank space, new code. This is a theme, this is not a code, and I'll show you how we make it a code. So after I create that, I'm going to drag all the codes with a red color code, okay? So red, and then right-click, click on aggregate coding from children. And now we have one preliminary theme there. Let's look at the second batch of codes, the blue ones. What do they talk about? They talk about social community-based event phone calls, having informal in-person chats with parents about their children. Those are, if you remember, these are the second one. We coded them in blue. Types of parental engagement that are most effective. So, effective types of parental engagement. I copy that. Then I come here, new code, create. Then I paste that. Remember, these are the codes in blue. They talk about effective types of parental engagement. Right click,